how to add link to column in Elementor. So I've just logged into my Elementor account here, and the first thing that we need to do is open up our WordPress dashboard. Now once we have our website loaded in WordPress, we'll go over plugins and click on add new plugin. Now here we'll search for make column clickable. So make column clickable, press enter. And we want to get this first plugin. So click on install now. And after it installs, just make sure you activate this. And now we can refresh the page. So after we have installed this plugin, we'll go into Elementor, and I'll just open up the Elementor editor. And I'll show you how this works. So here, what we want to do is I'll click on the plus sign to add a new structure with 3 columns. So I'll just add an image here for this column. Go to image, choose image, and select. Now if we want to make any of these columns clickable, we'll just click on the column icon here, and you will be able to see this new section here that says column link. So basically I can just type out any link here that I want to link this section to, or this container to. Or column, sorry, link this column to, and then if people click on it, they will be referred to this link, and you can repeat the same process for all of these different columns here by clicking on the column button and adding a column link. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.